shooter to bust him. Say they got clips, they don't bust shit. I only need me and my drumstick. Give him a whole I bust quick. I came from the block, I don't love shit. We was too young doing dumb shit. Why bitches love making assumptions? Why shorty won't post to the public? Why shorty won't post to the public? These diamonds don't fit when I touch this. And I got the stick in the function. Spring like he books, he gon' bust shit. I told my shooter to bust him. And baby, come suck up this cum. I roll him up in a molly. But shout out my little nigga Molly. We throwing blicks in the party. We heard you won't play, we don't parlay. Brody 100 and always. Look at the drumming, that's always. They kept it tucked, that was always. Now niggas is stuck in the hallways. Goddamn, niggas gon' blame. 40 gon' play, cause you know who I am. Man, I used to pray that they know who I am. Nigga, I been with the gang, but they saying in the can. Praying for my father, cause he saying in the can. The brothers kept 100, man, I'm pretty he the man. They the well friends, but at first I wasn't playing. I'm looking for him, cause I know that there's a plan, yeah. Said I told my shooter to bust him. Say they got clips, they don't buy shit. I only need me and my drumstick. Give him my home, I bust quick. I came from the block, I don't love shit. We was too young doing dumb shit. Why bitches love making assumptions? Why shorty want post to kill shit alive? Brody told me change, I can never see the pie. Turtle in the grave, you can never see the block. Nigga yellow in the cage, I can never see my pops. Running with the bank, but at first we need to stop. Copy me a Glock, making sure I got a lock. Brody out of socks, I'ma throw a little knot. And that bitch gon' throw it back, man, I promise she a bop, yeah. But we got some big straps, we came up from nothing, that's big facts. And Brody gon' sit back if you wanna play.